My favourite thing about being a home builder is seeing the client's face light up when they see the end product.
We're all about trust and building a relationship, whether it's with our team or with clients.
My name's Josh. I'm one of the directors at VW Building Projects.
My name's Brett. I'm one of the directors at VW Building Projects. Prior to Buildxact, we were a pen and paper, or at best an Excel spreadsheet kind of company. We were doing all of our quoting, estimating. It was all after hours. The work-life balance wasn't fantastic.
Estimating with Buildxact is super easy. Estimating before Buildxact was an absolute drag. Really didn't look forward to it.
The thing that sold us most was just the simplicity of the takeoff tool.
The takeoff tool. Using the takeoff tool is super easy. It's as simple as click and drag. It's interactive. It keeps estimating a little bit more engaging.
The ability to quote accurately and quote quickly and present it really well just stands out. My favourite thing with Buildxact would have to be just the ability to cost track throughout a job. We know from the start of a project right through the end to the dollar what our projects come out at.
We know that we're staying within budget. Prices change almost daily, so being able to have live prices via our suppliers is just wonderful.
It's enabled us to have confidence to take a shot at the projects we want, not just everything that comes in the door.
Yeah, we've been able to have a lot more confidence with taking on more intricate jobs that are quite difficult, and if we didn't have Buildxact, we probably wouldn't look at because it would take too much time.
Using Buildxact has completely changed the way we work. We've been able to shorten our work hours, so it just means that I'm at home, I can play in the backyard with our kids. It's changed a lot of things.